Jason here with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Behind me we have a used 2021 Sea Ray 210 SPX. Really beautiful boat. It does have the Sea Ray blue with a silver graphic in the middle part of the hull here. And it does come with a galvanized trailer. This boat's in great condition. Back here we've got the sea deck on the swim platform, and it is a stern drive 200 horsepower Mercruiser. Let's go inside and check out the inside of this boat. Welcome inside this 2021 Sea Ray 210 SPX. We've got a beautiful layout here with the stone upholstery and the snap-in sea deck. Nice big area back here to hang out, and this also pops up and acts as a backrest here too. Big entryway into this 210 SPX. This is optioned with the two bucket seats, captain and co-captain. Do have a bimini top on this boat, and then also a draining insulated cooler here. It's a nice feature. Walking up to the helm, this does have the 5-inch Simrad display screen. Seat here with a bolster, actually on the captain and co-captain side. Tilt steering wheel. And then this is also powered by Fusion Audio. Beautiful sound quality on this boat. Lockable glove box over here. And then more storage down below. Beautiful area up here in the bow to hang out with your friends and family. So guys, this boat's located at our Rogers location. Please stop by, just walk in or make an appointment, and we look forward to seeing all of you. Have a great day.